Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change your Gmail profile picture in just few simple steps. Whether you want to update your current photo or add a new one, this guide will help you make change effortlessly. First, log into your Gmail account on your web browser. If you are already logged in, look for your current profile picture or initial icon in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Manage your Google account. You will be directed to your Google account page. On left hand side, you will see a menu. Click on Personal Info. Here, you will find your profile picture at the top. Click on your current profile picture. A new window will pop up with an option to change or add a profile picture. Click on the button. You will be prompted to select a photo from your computer or device, or it will also give you options in here. So I will just choose this one. Click on the picture you want to go with. Once you have selected your photo, you will have the opportunity to crop and rotate it perfectly. And color, suggestions, so I can do it like this. Click on next once you are satisfied with your option. When you are happy with how it looks, click on Save as Profile Picture. Your new profile picture will now be updated across all Google services, including Gmail. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Gmail profile picture. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more handy tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.